Hey guys, if you guys want to know how to achieve this beautiful look, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know where you want and need.
Alright guys, so I have to apologize. The beginning of this video got deleted. It was me taking out the hair, but I'm showing you guys inside right now. It has an adjustable band, which is amazing. It has combs and everything. And what I did also was I cut the lace a little bit, but I also tinted the lace with a bronzer that's the same shade as my forehead so that it could look nice. And as you can see, it looks really nice. It's nice and laid on my forehead, and you can tell that it's going to blend really nicely. So this hair is not pre-plucked, but we can work with this hairline. It still looks really good. And I had already started cutting some of the lace, but I'm just continuing that right now on video. Again, my original video, the beginning of it got deleted. I don't know how that happened, but anyways, yeah. So yeah, I'm just cutting the lace on both sides so that I can lay it nice and make it look natural. And now I'm going in again with my Fenty bronzer, and I use a bronzer instead of my foundation color because my forehead's much darker than my face, so I wanted to blend on my forehead, not my face, right? So that's why I use it. And right now I'm just showing you guys how nice and deep the parting is. Like, there's a lot of space to part, and I'm just gonna show you guys the middle. If you're doing a middle part, like, look at this parting space, like, it's amazing. But I'm going to do a side part, sorry, not a part side. And yeah, I'm just taking the comb and then I'm parting it exactly where I want it to be. But before I do style it, I will be laying it down with my Got To Be spray. But also, look how natural this looks. Like, there's no glue, and I'm putting it up and down, and I'm just showing you guys how amazing the lace is. Anyway, so I'm taking my Got To Be spray, and then I'm just going to put it around the perimeters of my forehead, and I'm going to do about 2 layers of that so that it could be nice and laid. Alright, and when I'm done doing that, I'm going to take the melting band that they provided, and I'm just going to leave it on there. So a good idea is to do this before you style the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my heat protectant and I'm just going to put it all around the hair, and this is to protect the hair from the heat. And I moved back a little bit so that you guys can see how nice and long it is. But yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm just going in with my hot comb, and this is going to make the hairstyle look really nice. But what I'm going to be doing with the top is it's not flat, so I'm going to have to do a middle part, add that heat protectant, and then add the hot comb on top of that, and then just do it in sections so that it can lay nice and flat on my head. Alright, so when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to take off the melting band, and you guys are going to see how nice and laid it is. Like, this looks really nice. I haven't even done anything really to it, so I'm really excited about how it's gonna look. And also realize too that I didn't bleach the knots or anything like that, so the knots are gonna be a little bit darker, but that's completely fine. There's nothing that, you know, a little bit of baby hair can't fix, which I'm about to do right now. So I'm just taking a comb and I'm taking a section of the hair, and then I'm just going to do a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not going to go overboard with this wig because it already looks really nice. So I'm taking some mousse to lay down the baby hair, and I'm just going to do like a little swoop. And then I'm just going to also cut a little bit of the hair to do like a little bit of a sideburn effect. And you guys, honestly, this didn't take long at all. This is the result. I want to show you guys how the hair looks just if you brush it out. Like, I really like this look because it's nice and natural, but I also want you guys to see how it looks like when it's a little bit wet. I'm not going to go in and wet the hair completely, but I am putting some mousse so that you guys can compare this side and the other side. So yeah, this is the hair with the mousse on both sides. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. So for hair like this, sometimes it does shed, but this hair has a minimal shedding, which I'm really happy about. Yeah, this hair is just completely beautiful. I definitely recommend this hair. The only thing that I would say about this hair is that if you do want a more natural look, you're gonna have to bleach the knots and pluck it, which is completely fine. And yeah, thank you so much, Sterly Hair, for sponsoring this video. This hair is amazing, and don't forget to comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye for now.